You might run into a situation where nothing gets through. When you are doing a sunrise rise, you could ever get a black floor, so solution might flow into your mouth. Why this happen? First, you may not have opened your mouth, so please, keep your mouth open without holding a breath.
The other thing is, if your nose is super congested or you've got a deviated septum or polyps, you'll need the edges to fit it to suit you better.
We have two sizes of nozzles. You can try them and see which one fits you better. Also, you can gently adjust nozzle, like this. Let the solution flow into the right direction. Based on what the doctor or professional says to figure out what's causing the blockage. If you have any questions, our customer service team can also help you online. Let's breathe easier with DeepCozy.